Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in the universe, your brain. Yep, that weird, squishy, jelly-like thing in your head is the reason you can watch this video right now. But what exactly does it do? How does it work? And why is it so important? In this video, we'll break down the brain's main functions without any complicated words, no fancy jargon, just simple, everyday examples. By the end, you'll see why your brain is the ultimate superhero of your body. Let's get started. First off, what is the brain? Think of it as your body's control center. It's about the size of two clenched fists, weighs around 3 pounds, and looks like a squishy pink walnut. But don't let its looks fool you. This tiny organ does everything. Your brain is made of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons are like a team of messengers. They pass signals back and forth at lightning speed, kind of like texting your friends, but way faster. These messages control everything you do, from blinking your eyes to solving math problems. And here's the cool part, your brain never takes a break. Even when you're asleep, it's busy. So, what's its main job? Let's unpack that. Your brain is like a bossy but helpful manager. It controls everything. Move your hand, that's your brain. Feel cold, thank your brain. Even when you're not thinking about it, your brain keeps your heart beating and lungs breathing. Let's break it down. When you want to walk, your brain sends signals to your legs. Your brain tells you if something is hot, loud, or smells weird. Your brain keeps your body alive without you even trying, like digesting food or adjusting your temperature. Imagine this. You're walking past a bakery. Suddenly, you smell cookies. Your brain goes into overdrive. Here's how. 1. Senses. Your nose detects the smell. 2. Sorting. Your brain says, hey, that's chocolate chip. 3. Deciding. Do you stop and buy a cookie or keep walking? Your brain makes the call. Your brain does this millions of times a day. It takes in info from your eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue, then decides what to do. It's like a super fast computer, but way cooler. Why do you feel happy when you see a friend, or sad when you hear sad music? Blame your brain. It controls your emotions and memories. When something exciting happens, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine. That's the happy juice that makes you smile. Remember your first pet? Your brain stored that memory like a file on a computer. Need to remember where you left your keys? Your brain's got you. But here's the kicker. Emotions and memories are connected. Think of a time you felt nervous before a test. Your brain stored that moment and the feeling. That's why even hearing the word test might make you anxious. Okay, here's a fun fact. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When you learn something new, like riding a bike or a dance, it's like creating a new path in your brain. The first time, you wobble. But after practice, the path gets smoother. That's called neuroplasticity. Fancy word, simple idea, your brain can change and grow. Here's something you might not realize. Your brain is your life support system. It keeps you alive without you ever thinking about it. Examples: breathing. Even when you're asleep, your brain tells your lungs to keep going. Heartbeat. Your brain adjusts your heart rate when you exercise or rest. Feel hungry? Your brain says, eat something. If your brain stopped doing these things, you'd be in big trouble. That's why it's so protected. It's inside your skull, floating in fluid like a VIP in a bubble. Now that you know what your brain does, how do you keep it healthy? Sleep. Your brain needs to clean itself while you rest. Eat well. Foods like fish, nuts, and berries fuel your brain. Exercise. Moving boosts brain power. Learn new things. Challenge your brain to build new connections. And here's the best part. Your brain never stops adapting. Even as you age, it can learn and grow. So whether you're 5 or 105, there's always time to upgrade your brain. Whew! That was a wild ride. Let's recap. Your brain is your body's control center. It processes information, manages emotions, solves problems, keeps you alive, and helps you learn. Pretty cool, right? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing topics. Drop a comment below. What's the weirdest thing your brain has ever made you do? My brain once told me to dance in the grocery store. True story. And hey, take care of your brain. It's the only one you've got. See you next time.